People can think doing a course online would be lonely, and it's not the case. It's not the case. She's supported all the way through. I'm Jacqueline Walsh and I'm a Code Institute graduate. For me, being a single mum now with 2 children, one with special needs, to work remotely is a great opportunity for me because it means that I can still be there for my children, but I can actually build something for me and provide for the family. The employer engagement is what puts Code Institute above all other courses. You're not just doing the course and that's it. They are actually engaging and helping you find work. I feel very much more prepared after doing the course to even just to go for an interview, which is something that I've not done in 14 years, and I feel confident. The course was worth everything. Yes, it's hard work. Yes, you have to put the effort in and you have to motivate yourself, and what you put in, you get out. It's perfect.